remembers what is repeated. What feels familiar finds its place. Old patterns formed without permission, through borrowed thoughts and borrowed ways. What once was learned can now be softened. What no longer fits can fade away. A new direction starts forming with every word I choose to say. I speak with presence and intention. I choose what settles deep inside. Each clear thought builds a new foundation, where truth and ease begin to rise. I am rewiring my mind with clarity, aligning my thoughts with who I am. What I repeat becomes my rhythm, and my life moves where I stand. Habits shift and energy follows. Everything begins to align. I am rewiring my mind, and my world responds in time. What is repeated becomes automatic, a pattern steady and strong. When those thoughts match my values, life begins to feel like home. Relationships soften and open. Dreams feel closer than before. The struggle fades into movement when my mind is no longer at war. I do not battle what is fading. I replace it with what is true. New pathways form through gentle focus, as my inner world renews. I am rewiring my mind with clarity, aligning my thoughts with who I am. What I repeat becomes my rhythm, and my life moves where I stand. Habits shift and energy follows. Everything begins to align. I am rewiring my mind, and my world responds in time. I am free now. Support surrounds me. These words land deeper every day. What I speak with steady meaning shapes the life I live and create. I am rewiring my mind with clarity, letting ease replace the strain. As my thoughts become my anchor, life reflects the change.